Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I want to do a short video, hopefully it's short, a short video on my planner and crafting supplies budget for 2024. I'm going to try and do this every month rather than every quarter because I've had a little bit of a change. What I want to do each month, show you what I've bought for the previous month and what I've used for the previous month. Like, have I used any sticker books up, sticker sheets? Have I used any pens? Like, what have I, like, where is the proof in the pudding of what I've been doing for this planner stash challenge, right? That is my new series that is on my channel. So what have I used in April? So what I decided to do this, I think it was like the end of the last video, so it's probably like April and the last few days of March. I decided that I was going to save all of the sticker sheets that I have used up. And that is all of these. So I just got myself a little file and I just chuck the sheets in there. Zoom out a little bit. So I just put all the sheets in there. So I have used 46 sheets. Again, normally I would save these and use the bleed and stuff. I'm trying to just let it go. I'm trying to just let it go and move the hell on. I have more than enough stickers. I don't need to do that. These are paper. I'm going to toss these. These are clear sheets, so these will go in my create your own sticker book thing, just in case I want to save them. And then these are already on sticker paper, so these will go in my colourful boxes. And that is what I've used, along with a pen. I don't remember how many sheets I said, 40 something, along with a pen that died. So yes, I am pretty freaking happy. Again, this is part of what I wanted to do with this whole planner stash challenge and the budget challenge, was actually use my freaking stuff. So that is what I've used. All right, so now let's talk about what I have bought. I have bought nothing until today. I went out today because I'm trying to start leaving the dogs a little bit. So I've been extending the time that I've been leaving them. I went out today to Hobby Lobby and the Dollar Tree. I went out to Hobby Lobby. I literally just bought some adhesive. I'm just going to try this brand. I will link it. I've used this before. I quite liked it. It's a nice alternative to the Tombow tape runner, and it's available locally. So yes, I'm trying to, be more sustainable with that kind of stuff. But it's much easier to buy it from Hobby Lobby than it is to buy on Amazon because we don't have Amazon Prime anymore. So that's a major difference. Again, this doesn't count because this is just replacing adhesive, so it doesn't count. But it doesn't count to my budget. We got rid of Amazon Prime. When they started wanting to do adverts in the Prime Video, we said bye-bye and we got rid of Amazon Prime. Let me tell you, our purchases on Amazon have gone down drastically. If you're looking to reduce your expenditures, cut your Amazon Prime. And here's the thing, if you're doing that, make sure that when you do order from Amazon Prime, you check it. You check your stuff because they're sneaky. They're freaking sneaky. The checkout process when you're doing it, if you go to the shipping, automatically it does the shipping by price. Like, you have to pay for it. Even if you have the free shipping qualification of over the $35 or whatever it is. So make sure you check that. So yes, highly recommend getting rid of your Amazon Prime. I nearly bought 2 sticker books. They had the 40% off deal on Happy Planner and the Paper Studios Agenda 52 type stuff. I nearly bought the foliage and the alcohol ink sticker books. And then I looked through them and they were full of foil, and I am done with foil. So I put them back. I feel very proud of myself that I put them back because in my brain it was going, they're only $4.50. They're only $4, they're only cheap. And I am terrible when something is on sale. I put them back. What else did I buy? I bought from Dollar Tree. Again, it's kind of a tool, so I'm not counting it. This is transfer tape from Dollar Tree. I am doing some projects with some vinyl, so I needed this. But again, it's a tool. I can't really count this. It's not like it's a tool, right? It's a replacement. And I also got 2 sets of stamps. So this one is all about travel. I literally bought this for 2 of the stamps. This one that says like the little post office thing and the little camera. Those are the 2 that I want from this. All the rest are bonus. And then this one is like just like greeting card sentiments. So yes, I am going to count these towards my paper crafting budget. So I'm going to put in, this is my planner budget. I have nothing for April to add to this. So heck yes, hex yes. And then for this, I am going to put $2.50 because they're $1.25 each. So yes, let me know if you're happy with me doing a monthly update rather than a quarterly, because, and I'm doing it this way because I don't want to hang on to all of these freaking sticker sheets for a whole quarter and have 3 times this amount just hanging around in my room. All right, so that is my update. I bought 2 sets of stamps, which are technically tools, but I didn't need them, so I'm going to count them as part of my craft budget. I haven't bought any planner supplies. I've used 40 odd sheets. I've used a whole pen, and I am down for it. I am on this use your stash train so hard. So yes, let me know how you did in April. Did you buy anything? Did you? Did you? I know we've got the teacher release coming up for Happy Planner. I don't think there'll be anything that I want in the release because again, I'm trying to stay away from the gold. I don't like the gold. I don't like the gold. Please, can they just stop doing freaking gold? So yes, I think I'm just going to stay away, and if it has gold in it or foil of some kind, I am out. Period. The end. Period. The end. Full stop. Exclamation point. So yes, let me know what you think of this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye. Also, if you're on the Planner Stash Challenge with me and you're in your Use Your Stash, highly recommend this because doing this really helped me use my stash. So if you're looking to use your stash and get it used up, get yourself a pile. And I like, again, a little folder or an envelope or something that you can keep them in. Get yourself a pile because seeing this pile grow each week was amazing. I knew that I was using my stash and it just I felt so successful. Highly recommend. All right. Now I'm going. Bye.